Welcome to today's deep dive. Today we're going to look at a very specific piece of hardware based on specs we got from HDTVSUPPLY. It's the Kramer KW-14 HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. And the mission here is exploring how this kind of professional wireless tech might finally kill off that awful cable spaghetti you always see in conference rooms.
Yeah, that mess of cords on every table, it is definitely a common headache.
Right, exactly. But I have to admit, I'm a little skeptical. In my experience, wireless video usually means two things: lag and low resolution. Is this actually different, or is it just another, glorified casting dongle?
That is the million-dollar question. But if you look at the numbers, this is definitely not a consumer casting device. It isn't just compressing a video stream over Wi-Fi. It uses radio frequencies to literally replace the physical copper wire.
Okay, but replace the wire as a metaphor, right? Like, does it actually feel like a wire? Because the marketing claims zero latency.
Well, it is extremely close to real. The documentation lists the latency as less than 1 millisecond.
Less than a millisecond. Wait, let's pause there. Because most consumer wireless setups have a delay of maybe 100 or 200 milliseconds.
Right, and that difference completely changes how you use it. At 100 milliseconds, if you move your mouse, the cursor drags behind your hand.
Which is incredibly frustrating when you're navigating a spreadsheet or a website.
Exactly. But at less than 1 millisecond, that delay is imperceptible to the human eye. The interface feels completely responsive, and it pushes a data throughput of up to 6.75 gigabits per second.
Which means it supports full HD, 1080p at 60 hertz. So it is fast. But my next worry is the environment. We aren't testing this in a vacuum. We are in offices with thick drywall and glass and metal studs. Does this require a line of sight?
Surprisingly, no, and that is a major key differentiator here. Many wireless extenders use infrared, which cuts out if someone walks in front of it. The KW-14 uses RF that can penetrate walls and furniture.
Really? How far does that go?
The range covers up to 100 feet, so about 30.5 meters.
So theoretically, you could mount the receiver behind a TV, hide the laptop inside a heavy wooden cabinet, and it still connects.
According to the datasheet, yes. It's designed to punch right through those obstacles.
But that brings up a massive security issue for me. If this signal just goes straight through walls, what stops someone in the lobby or the office next door from tuning in and stealing our confidential quarterly results?
You are right to ask that. That is always the biggest risk with RF. But Kramer addresses it with AES 128-bit data encryption.
Can you break that down? We hear 128-bit a lot, but what does it actually mean for your meeting?
Think of it as a bank-grade lock on the signal. It isn't broadcasting an open picture for anyone to grab. It sends a scrambled code that only the paired receiver can unlock. It also supports HDCP.
That's the digital handshake for copyright protection, right?
Exactly. It ensures protected streams play correctly. And to your earlier point about the environment, if you are in a building with 50 Wi-Fi routers running, this system uses automatic frequency selection.
So it scans the frequencies to avoid interference.
Yes, specifically scanning between 5.19 and 5.795 gigahertz. If it detects noise on one channel, it instantly hops to a clearer one automatically.
It constantly troubleshoots its own connections so you don't have to. That is incredibly useful. Now, I also noticed the mix and match capabilities that distinguish this from just a simple cord replacement.
Right, the flexibility is huge. It supports one-to-many, meaning one transmitter sends to up to 4 receivers simultaneously.
That is great for large halls with multiple screens.
Mm-hmm.
But they also have many to one, right?
Yes, one receiver can accept signals from up to 3 transmitters. So for meetings with multiple presenters, you just switch inputs instead of sliding a physical HDMI cable across the table.
Which physically untethers you from the screen. You aren't huddled around a floor box anymore.
Precisely. And it even features an automatic sleep mode that saves power after 3 minutes of no input. It's very low maintenance.
So to recap for you listening, the Kramer KW-14 offers a secure, zero-latency solution that physically untethers the presenter.
High bandwidth video passing through solid objects instantly.
Which leads you with an interesting thought to take away. If high bandwidth video can now pass through walls instantly and securely, are we approaching the end of physical cabling infrastructure in office design entirely? Think about that. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.